Are you ready to dive into the truth about succeeding in an online business? Well, let's go. First step is to expect more from you. It's really time to raise the bar, and success starts with pushing yourself beyond your limits. Challenge yourself and your potential and watch everything unfold. All right. Step number 2 is really to manage your mind. Your mindset is your greatest asset. Nurture it, cultivate positivity, banish self doubt, and embrace the power of positive affirmations. So, a strong mind is going to fuel a successful and positive journey. Step number 3 is to set your non negotiables for your business every single day. So, imagine you're the CEO of your dream company. What would you prioritize? Set daily non-negotiables and stick to them religiously, because consistency breeds excellence. And step number 4 is to see yourself, envision yourself living in the vision of $600 days. All right. Go ahead and envision success down to the smallest detail. Visualize those $600 days. Feel the excitement and let that energy drive you. Believe in yourself. You got this.